Doghouse on the Burner Nation Network. Welcome to each and every one of our new members from all parts of this great nation. From the Doghouse in the Heartland, your host, Matthew T.
Guess what day it is? 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 Guess what day it is?
Hump day.
You've been listening to the Doghouse on Burner Nation Network. A special thank you to our contributors for throwing the dog a bone. This has been a sit, stay, and roll over production.